Good afternoon students, how are you all? This is grade 7, your English literature book. So students, today we are going to continue our previous chapter. Chapter number 6, benefits of laughter. So here in this chapter we were learning about how somebody can heal their pain or their diseases by only laughing. Okay, so laughter is the best medicine. Okay, it is also a saying that laughter is a best medicine. So this is how we can say that there are so many benefits of laughing. So there are so many benefits of laughter. So let's continue from here. Laughter works to improve our health. It is proved that laughter is a mild exercise for the muscles in our body, and it helps us fight diseases, as I have already mentioned. Actually, laughter is a psychological response to humor. When we laugh aloud, we may produce sound ha 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 or ho ho ho. When we laugh soundlessly, our body shakes. Right? Have you seen? So when we laugh, changes occur in the different parts of our body or facial muscles. Facial muscles move and the brain pressures us to conduct the needed gestures. In extreme circumstances, tears roll down and the face becomes red or moist. So students, have you ever seen somebody laugh so much that he or she has tears in her or his eyes? Have you seen anybody laughing with tears? In that way, laughter relaxes the whole body, lightens the burden of anger, and boosts our immunity. So what is the meaning of boosting our immunity? Immunity improves our health system. Immunity system is something which help us to fight against a disease. So improves our health system. So it means that the laughing is something that can make you fit. Okay, so laughter helps us maintain an optimistic look when we undergo stressful situation in our lives. It gives us courage to withstand loss and adjust with the given situation in order to forge forward. So students, this is how the laughing helps our body. So since laughter is contagious, it can go a long way in raising a social bond with others. So what is the meaning of contagious? It means infectious. Okay, and what is social bond? Binding ties to family, school or society. Okay, social bond means a relationship with people. Okay, a good shared laughter improves communication, cooperation and empathy. Okay, the laughter improves our communication means when we laugh with someone, so we get very comfortable. Okay, so that is helpful for cooperation and empathy as well. So Dr. Robert Provine, in the book Laughter, the scientific investigation states that we are 30 times more likely to laugh when we were with other people than we were alone. So the author also adds, laughter is a social glue that draws group members into the fold. Laughter is not primarily about humor but about social relationships. So laughter, this is how the laughter works. So we can get social so much when we laugh. Okay, it is not that laughing like anything without any reason, but there should be a reason to laugh. Okay, another study from England revealed that sharing a laugh with someone makes people more willing to share personal information with each other. So this helps to bond the relationship with the people. This conclusion is significant because self-disclosure is the cornerstone in forming and maintaining relationships. When we are positive, we tend to be more creative too. Okay, when we are positive, so laughing makes us positive, right? We tend to be more creative too. Humor unshackles our mental guard and encourages us to look at things with a new perspectives. Okay, creativity and humor work to tandem. They both involve bringing together two items which do not have an obvious connection but end up creating a connection between the two. So this is how this helps to connect the things. Okay, to do the connection or to do the creativity. Okay, laughter is a natural part of our life. It is a natural part of our life. Of course, it is a natural part. Infant begins to smile from their first month and laugh aloud as they grow a little. So we don't have to learn how to laugh, but because little children also can laugh their own. Okay, so infant means a very small baby. Okay, small baby of first month can laugh its own. Okay, there could be some people to whom laughter does not come easily. Okay, so these kind of people should not be there, because everybody should be in the habit of laughing. Okay, so this can be remedied by finding out ways to trigger laughter, such as listen to the infectious laughter of others, practicing laughter, or joining laugh therapies groups. So when somebody does not feel like laughing, so they can use these kind of treatments to laugh. Okay, because laughing is like a medicine. Okay, it is a very good thing for our body. Reading comic stories or poems, watching funny films, playing with the pet, developing a sense of humor, and not dwelling into negative things. So let's laugh aloud every day by finding and using every opportunity to laugh and help yourself live a joyful life. So this is how we can understand that how much laughing is important in our life. So students, this is your chapter. Okay, now we have completed the whole reading of this chapter. Now you'll have to try to do this exercise by your own first in your notebook only. Okay, so students, first of all, you'll have to write down the number of this chapter, the name of this chapter in your notebook, and try to do all the word meanings of this chapter which are given on the bottom of the page. Okay students, and then the exercise B also you have to try to do, and after this I'll tell you all the answers related to this chapter. Until complete your work and have a nice day.